Good day. I am Marvin Darby Cruz Angeles from the Philippines, 20 years of age, and I am one of the 5th-year regular students of BS Petroleum Engineering at the Batangas State University, Alangilan Campus. I have two siblings. My oldest sister is a public school teacher, while my youngest brother is taking up instrumentation. My father is a government employee as a social worker. And I am a consistent achiever since elementary, and now I belong to top 5% of my engineering batch. I also trained as a student leader and collaborate to work in a team environment. In terms of skills, I can work under pressure and easily adapt to my working place. To grow professionally, I am willing to start at the lower possible position. I have knowledge on Microsoft Office applications such as MS Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. AutoCAD is also a part of my training. I have attended some trainings and seminars like H2S safety, safety and prevention awareness on oil rig site, biomass to biogas power generation, pipeline design, heat utilization for power optimization, and lastly, optimizing oil production from an oil rim reservoir. This international opportunity, dubbed as Supervised Industrial Training in Malaysia, will strengthen my knowledge and widen my experiences. This will bridge the gap between theories and application I learned from the university. Again, I am Marvin Darby Cruz Angeles from Batangas State University, Langilan Campus. Terima kasih. Thank you.